Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: a customer calls the support line for an issue with GPS in her new car. She says the GPS shows that an update is available, but she is not sure how to install it based on the procedural guidelines provided. How should she respond to guide her to the relevant pages in the owner's manual? Transfer her to technical support. Continue report problem. Don't worry, this will not interrupt you. And the answer of the question is guide to the relevant page in the owner's manual for instructions or installing the update. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.